Hello everyone, it's Potograph and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be restoring one of my favorite HE dolls in my collection. I've had her since 2017, so she's had her fair share of getting very dirty and she's just kind of a mess right now. So I'm going to go ahead and restore her and show you my process of doing that. So let's go ahead and get on to the video. Hello everyone, I have Emma right here. As you can see, she has been through a lot. She is a Truly Me 61 doll and she's supposed to have curly hair, but her hair is a rather large mess. It's not curly, it has lots of flyaways at the bottom and it just has lots of flyaways in general, and there's lots of little ripped pieces in her part. She has a scratch on her lip and we need to fix that. She's pretty dirty just overall, especially her arms from doing stop motion with her. So we're gonna try to clean her up and fix her hair a little bit. She's actually, for a doll that I had as a pretty young child and a doll that I threw around to pretend like I was playing gymnastics with her, her limbs are actually pretty tight, so I don't think we need to do anything about those, which is a very nice thing. But I will be needing to take her head off to fix her hair, so we're gonna do that now. Now is I'm putting some curlers in Emma's hair. I am using a little bit of this tissue paper to try to get rid of the bumps in her hair, because I have done this one time before and she got a lot of bumps in her hair from the little bars that go across. So I went ahead and did that, and we're gonna go ahead and hot water dunk her now. Here's Emma. She's gonna be sitting here until tomorrow morning, and then she should be all dry. And we can take out the curlers, and I'm very excited to do that. Alright everyone, I have Emma here and her hair is all done and it looks super cute. I did go ahead and put her head back on, but I think I will have to take that back off in a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean her with my magic eraser. So yeah, let's get started.
So I actually tried to repaint Emma's lips with watercolor first, and that didn't go very well because as soon as I went to take a photo shoot with her, all of the watercolor just rubbed right off of her lips. So I decided on a more permanent solution. So I mixed up some watercolor and some water and some Mod Podge, and I made this lip gloss, and I went ahead and painted that on her lips, and it is a lot more permanent and it does look so much better. So yeah. Here is the finished product. I think she turned out really nice. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye!